Today I'm going to share with you this brand new method I'm using to make over $900 a day for doing nothing. It's completely free and available worldwide, and anybody can do this. There are a couple of critical steps, however, that you won't want to miss, so pay attention until the very end of the video. This is something you can repeat over and over again and make even more passive income while you sleep. So welcome to Online Moneymaker. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it started right now. Welcome to Online Moneymaker. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to make $942 in one day reposting YouTube videos. This is very simple. You need to pay attention through the whole video because there's things that you need to get right on here for this to work. And no, you do not need your own YouTube channel. Not necessary, okay? So, first thing you're going to do is go to a website called Sniply.io. Sniply.io. This is a link shortening website that also gives you a call to action button. This is a very cool website. It's brand new and it is free to use. Now, they do have a paid version of this which offers you some additional customization options, but you don't need to use that. Today we're going to use the free version. Now, if we're using the free version, I need you to stop right there. Do not sign up for an account yet. There's something we need to do before we do that. We need something that we're going to sell. So for that, we are going to use clickbank.com. Now, this will work with any link you want, your Shopify store, Digistore 24, anything. But just so I can show you how this works, and it's very simple, we are going to use clickbank.com. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, sign up for one. It takes about 10 seconds. It's also free to use, so let's do that. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which looks like this. So we want to scroll down to where it says Affiliate Marketplace, and this is where we need to find something to sell. So for this example, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here where it says Sports. And I'm going to hit Sports, and then I'm going to come down to where it says Golf. And I'm going to click on Golf. Now we can see that we've got several different golfing related products that we can sell. These are other people's products and they're going to pay you a commission to sell it for them. And so the goal is to get your affiliate link in front of as many people as possible. So first things first here, let's just go ahead with this one right here, the stress-free golf swing. And we can see that that one's going to pay us $37.83 anytime somebody clicks on our link and purchases this system. So that sounds good enough, so we're going to hit promote here. And that's going to take you to this page where you will have given yourself a username when you signed up. Hit generate hot links right here. And here's our link. We just want to push this little square button here. And now that's our little link right there. So we want to copy that and get it into a folder. Okay, let's go back to Sniply.io, and this is where you need to pay attention. There are paid versions of this. You can see the cheapest one is $29 a month on up to $299 a month, okay? But if you want to use the free version, you got to remember one thing when you sign up. You don't want to put in your real name because it's going to appear right here on your pop-up, okay? Let me show you what I mean. When you sign up, it's going to ask you for your full name. Now, again, if you're going to use the free version, we need to think about this, okay? So we're selling a golf product, right? So instead of putting my name in there, or your name, put something that has to do with golf, okay? So I already set up an account. I put Swing Master right there because that's going to appear on the pop-up. This is kind of a way to hack this little website. Do that. Put in a real email address and a real password. They will ask you to confirm your email, and then we'll get into the dashboard from there. Okay, this is what your Sniply.io dashboard will look like. Now, keep in mind, again, if you're going with the free version here, like I'm doing, whatever product you are choosing to promote in this way I'm going to show you, the name that you signed up with needs to relate to that. Okay, so I am doing this golf thing. You can do whatever you want. So I put in Swing Master. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. Your next step is to go to YouTube and find a video related to whatever you're selling. So since I'm selling golf swing lessons or whatever it is. Let's just go with the most famous golfer in the world. Let's just type in Tiger Woods and see what comes up here. And there should be a bunch of Tiger Woods videos here. So what you want to do, you want to find one that's not too long. So you can see this one right here is 44 minutes. We don't want that. We want it maybe, you know, less than 10 minutes for sure, but we also want it with a flashy thumbnail, because where we're going to promote this, which I'm going to show you at the end, the most brilliant move ever, this thumbnail needs to pop. It needs to draw attention, okay? So let's find a good Tiger Woods video, and we're going to go from there. So this one's perfect right here. It's got a nice, clean, sharp-looking thumbnail, Tiger and his son. It's only 8 minutes long, so we're going to use this. So your first step is to go ahead and play it. You just need to play it for a couple seconds here. About two seconds.
With Fundrise, you can invest here.
It's usually always going to be an ad. Now, copy the link. Come up here to the bar and copy the link to this video. Okay, copy that. And we're going to go back in to our Sniply.io dashboard. And you want to take that link to Tiger Woods YouTube video and paste it right here at the top. Paste it right here and push create snip. Okay, this is where a little bit of setup comes in with your Sniply account, okay? And because we're going with the free version, we are not going to be able to customize it the way we want. And part of that includes our name. So look down here at the bottom. Basically, this is what this is going to look like. Now, had I entered my real name, it would appear right here. But I entered Swingmaster. So the video thumbnail will appear right here, and your pop-up will appear right down here. So you want to go ahead and customize all this. So I chose to write, learn the secrets to Tiger Swing, click here. And now if somebody were to click there, it would take us to that affiliate page of that golf swing tutorial, whatever that we're trying to sell. So next thing you want to do is take your affiliate link and paste it right down here, okay? So you should have saved that in a folder, just paste it right down there. And then just hit snip. Snip. And that should provide us with a link here. Okay, good. So here's our link. Let's copy that and let's put that into a new tab and just see what happens. It should work. We should see Tiger Woods video come up and then our pop-up below that. So let's see here. Waiting. Ah, there we go. And there's the video, and there's our pop-up, plain as day. I love this site. Okay, so we've got all that down. Now, the next question is, how do we get tons and tons of golf-related traffic to see this? Okay, stay with me. This is great. If you're liking this video so far and you're ready to hear this brilliant secret I'm about to tell you, hit the like button for me, please. I refuse to say smash the like button. Everybody says that. How about bomb the like button and subscribe to the channel? Okay, so what are we going to do with this special little link we've got here? Okay, we are going to go to Facebook. Okay, now before you say, oh, I've heard this before, no, we are not using Facebook groups. Facebook groups take too long to make you money. You have to get accepted, and you have to prove that you're not a spammer for like a month, and then you start dropping links. No, this is brand new. So if we've got a video of Tiger Woods and we've got a product that we're trying to sell that's related to golf, why don't we just go to the source? And if you don't have a Facebook page, set one up right now. It takes 30 seconds. You don't need any friends to do this. So let's come up to search Facebook, and let's just search Tiger Woods. Let's just go right to Tiger Woods page. How about that? Yep, that's exactly what we're going to do. Oh, and here's Tiger Woods' page, and he's got 3,194,073 followers. That will do. Go straight to his page, and now you can't post on his page, but let me show you what you can do. You can comment on it. Look at that. So we are going to drop our little video of Tiger and his cute little son right here in one of the comments, okay? So we've got find one that's got like a lot of shares and whatnot, you know, one that's making the rounds. So let's see. Okay, just keep going down. Let's just go with let's go with this one right here. It's got 100 and no. I'm gonna go with this Pebble Beach one. Yeah, Pebble Beach. Let's do that. So what we're gonna do is just comment. Now this is an important step also. Don't just hit it with the link. Throw a quick sentence in there that describes the video. So we're gonna say like, great video of Tiger with his son. Okay, so I should do that. Great video of Tiger with his son. And then we're gonna drop the link right there. Great video of Tiger and son. Okay, now paste the link and watch what happens here. Watch me. Paste. Okay, and then return. Now watch. It's gonna populate here in just a minute. This whole thing. Look at that. Yes, there it is. So let's see what happens if we click on that. Take us right to the video. Look at this. Here's our pop-up. Let's see what happens if we click here. It should take us right to our affiliate page. And it does. Yes, yes. You have just got your link in front of hundreds of thousands of Tiger Woods fans. Now again, this will work with any niche you want. If you want to do a basketball one, go to Michael Jordan's Facebook page. I mean, if you want to do, who knows, the possibilities are endless. So if you loved this video, like the video for me, please. Subscribe to the channel. This has been Online Moneymaker.